Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Education Department orders printing for bilingual books of EVS and Maths for primary section. Government yet to issue notification on medium of instruction. Congress to take action against leaders who worked against party during Lok Sabha election. Role of Movin, Babush, Valanka under scanner. Permission given to 64 bars to operate till VRs to continue till end of this financial year. Sources say new licenses to be issued on case-to-case basis. Sankeli Devils crush Pride of Padne, win maiden women's 2020 title. Sankeli captain Sunanda Yathrekar bags Woman of the Match prize. Resha Raval and Snehal Sheth share series prize. And Padma Shri Dr. Rajendra Badve advises women to follow outdoor sports lifestyle to keep breast cancer away. Now news in detail. For the first time in Goa, bilingual textbooks are being introduced. Education Department has ordered printing of bilingual textbooks for EVS and Maths for primary section. These bilingual textbooks will be made available in primary schools that have shifted to English from Konkani. Textbooks with more than 200 pages will be in two parts. Government has still not issued notification on medium of instruction but has begun its enforcement. Watch this report.
As a first step towards resolving medium of instruction issue, government has started publishing bilingual textbooks. Education Department will provide these textbooks to schools that have changed their medium of instruction. For standard first, 13,000 textbooks will be printed in Marathi. For same standard, 15,000 Konkani mathematics books will be printed. For standard second, 12,000 Marathi books will be printed, whereas Konkani maths 15,000 textbooks will be printed. For standard third, 13,000 maths books will be printed. 14,000 EVS bilingual textbooks will be printed and 14,000 additional maths bilingual textbooks will be printed. For standard fourth, 16,000 maths books will be printed. EVS and maths bilingual 15,000 textbooks will be printed. In all, 74,000 bilingual books will be printed for a cost of almost 25 lakhs. These bilingual textbooks will be issued to primary schools that have changed their medium of instruction. In Goa, diocesan managed schools have shifted their medium of instruction. To reduce the heavy burden of school books, Education Department has decided to divide textbooks with over 200 pages into two parts. These bilingual textbooks will be printed at Kolhapur. Sources say schools will get them before the beginning of academic year. Government has still not issued notification on medium of instruction, but the enforcement of new policy has begun. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee will take disciplinary action against the leaders who allegedly worked against the party during Lok Sabha elections. Congress will form a disciplinary committee to scrutinize role of MLA Movin Gudino, Babush Panserat, Youth Congress leader Valanka Alemao and other leaders during Lok Sabha elections. GPCC President John Fernandez met High Command at New Delhi and requested to form the committee.
Particularly those people who said that Movin, what is Movin worth? He is only worth one vote. I want to show him how many such one votes which as a drop, several drops and drops only make a ocean. Similarly, he has missed all these drops and all these votes, and that is going to be the downfall of Congress.
The day I feel I need any Congress leader or any leader to come to my constituency and tell the people that please vote for Babush, that is the day I will understand that I have lost the confidence of the people. That is the day I will not contest election.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President John Fernandez held discussion with National Congress leaders. He briefed them about the complaint received against the senior party leaders who either withdrew themselves from the campaigning or worked against the party candidates during Lok Sabha election. Sources said that names of Dabolim MLA Movin Gudino, Santa Cruz MLA Babush Panserat and Youth Congress leader Valanka Alemao are in the list. According to sources, Congress High Command will soon form a disciplinary committee to conduct detailed probe and will submit its report to GPCC President John Fernandez. Later, the same report will be submitted to the High Command. Sources say if party finds any leaders guilty, then High Command will initiate strict action against the leaders. Sources also said that party will probe entry and support given by Mervyn Godino to the BJP candidate. It will also look into recent statement of Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat after Talegaon Panchayat results. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi.
Permission given to 64 bars to operate till late hours will continue till end of next financial year. This has nothing to do with the assurance given by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar that bars will not operate till late night in the state. Similarly, Excise Department has held back issuing of new excise license but has not terminated them. Sources say new licenses will be issued on case-to-case basis. Here is a report.
After opposition from the women organization, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held back his decision of allowing bars till wee hours in the state. However, it is temporary suspension and not a permanent one. Parrikar had informed media that government is framing a fresh liquor policy to handle such proposals. But bars which are allowed by the government to run till late night or wee hours will continue. Government's proposal of running bars till late night with extra fees got tremendous response from the bar owners. From 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. 64 bars, from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. 27 bars, total revenue 86 lakhs. Sources say that government's new liquor policy will consist of these factors. Committee will be formed to decide license to bars to run till wee hours. Applications will be referred to committee. Committee will scrutinize place, area and locality. After scrutiny, committee will take final decision. Now all eyes are set on the final liquor policy of the government. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.